Okay.
I use that one. So already in customer three things.
Three stories
about him. Many
positive.
Positive. Even the first two stories, no. I had videos and audios I'm supposed to Instagram.
Okay.
The first one they say the movie now try video no.
Yeah.
As at now it has over getting to 20,000 views.
Wow.
Many which one.
Any answer who ana.
Any the minimum. Say kind of us who back no.
Okay. Hello, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Today we are catch you say a urban YouTube channel in Africa. What you say? And you ma a guy na na baha na ye dia bro. But before we begin, say once follow your Instagram, go follow Poleeno_com. Now be part of the family. Minute #nation blogger and it's say it's you better try come. Me am a boy Zionfelix and me no etia. Boy special picture.
It was just best.
Cartier. Omo Cartier nobody. Cartier sunglasses. Brand name solid.
There's nobody.
Oh nobody.
It was no call heaven.
Oh they mean call heaven but
and I also
who say yeah no more onye guy on this mention sir. Onye be grantor.
Okay. They know to
oh me don't be o UK. Nana Kalia.
And Toma. On the Toma, the new class out toy. Not very fans.
Exactly.
It's one as only who should know.
It's why him be as kakra ho na opisha
Ebefa.
Okay. We okay. Number children na koso.
E ma do come on the mint man.
They say beef be bobo.
If
we Shatta na SM come.
Amone ashamodi.
I don't know, but it's only about
Mimu.
Exactly.
But some go heaven.
Uncle. And then a coffee by you who say Shatta Wale akotre ato say Zionfelix wait for me. And no tray say wo cho say when I cho
oh I'm supposed to be Osheda. Yeah, I'm supposed to Osheda no choice or spelling like that because
like that okay.
I can't do it spell but try and you. Me na mada and the parent sorry na. I think obi the screenshot to me. I was teaching with a guy be was school when we were high school TW3. So the Sunday me man downloading po. So I went on Facebook and I'm like he's not my friend on Facebook but I think I have followed the page. Okay. And I have followed that. Also two accounts.
Yeah.
Or fan page or so I think I have followed the Charles now.
Okay.
So most of the things that he does now I see it.
Okay.
Until you call Facebook no I don't know, surprisingly, that was the first thing I saw. I wasn't bothered.
Okay.
Never normal.
Okay.
Yeah, so because me I couldn't watch was screenshot and post here.
Okay.
Say Zionfelix wait for me. Okay. I'm like, all it is also. I never say because normal. I mean,
okay.
I've had few people talk about say I didn't even come square. I mean, they'll talk about it. And then what he wrote, I didn't want to read meanings into it because we name what he meant.
Okay.
In other way, I know how Wale is. At times, if he wants to promote something, I mean, he wants to promote you, he might use other means. Saying, eyeballs will come on you. Yeah. So if you are my book of fuai, if you are now on yes something to promote you, then now work for. Even so, he also meant what he actually wrote. Okay. So even if he meant it, company. Me ano
because na the entire ngofo so be kan say Aisha Mudi wo couple and oni no enya beef nti in a way ni say also ko trade news bi na go in favor obedwen say bia Aisha influence bi na ma watch race.
I mean if anka Aisha influence anka the beef no anka men so I mean the beef from here now everything that they did from day one to last day omuja here.
Okay.
Man bohon wakra I didn't write anything about it. Okay. On the website, on social media, I told my team not to do anything about the two beef.
Okay.
Yes, so if Anka mess I do with one person, then I wouldn't have posted Obidien can post Obidien. I didn't just want to do anything about it. I just wanted it to just go like that. Okay. Being influencing me, I'm just reporting. I mean, this morning when I woke up, I think that was the very first thing that I reacted to on my platform, Instagram. In fact, I was one of the very first few people we published that particular good news because I don't know how it even happened. Some here's a movie now.
Okay.
Netflix no. Anytime I'm come to watch Netflix, I see a lot of series. I'm a series person. To me, I go to film.
Featured movie now, yeah.
Film. To me, na eba movie na Obiti, the featured image was Obiti, Mame Kokono movie name. But it's Botum and I got it. So I'm like, me I'm action movies. To me, who they I come and clicking movie no.
Ah, okay.
It's me it was like kind of boring for me. Me who they left
right.
Conan and I and I'm me here movie me here other things count. That's why I like action movies. So me take I'm here. To me the call.
Okay.
And to say movie a cast story and mostly here because me attention now my phones now me post here. So I could have say about Walenyum.
Okay.
At the background no. Now me posting is okay. Let me record that this thing. Now finding news. I couldn't say, oh, I forgot that the sound is becoming better.
Okay.
First, now I'm
outside now.
But I'm inside. No more. So then let me post the side. Say, oh, what a movie, a feature, what a feature in Netflix movie, or a movie on Netflix. I didn't even know that it was a Netflix movie. Okay. I only knew say a movie on Netflix. Later, who said it was a Netflix photo movie now. Yeah. So it's me and I echoing them. Oh, there's another song, my level no, I'm the party or inside. And I me post here. So after me post here now, then I saw it say it was all over. So and no my watch it. The following morning, if anything, Sammy Flex xylophone. I listened to xylophone and hits FM a lot because of the entertainment background and then because I want more content. So he interviewed one guy who was also one of the editors of the movie. I think visual editor or so. For you men, he even called me this morning.
Oh, you're Ghanaian.
Ghanaian, yeah. He's a Ghanaian. That's amazing. Yeah, so he told. Oh, most Ghanaians worked on the movie. I know so many people who worked on the movie. I think I know like 3 or 4 people. Wow. Work on that movie. So they called for real. For real talked about no work out. Oh yeah. Okay. And then he's even had nomination for the movie because movie nomination was Spain for visual editing, and then he's part of the team there visual. And to me, it's only nomination.
A part.
And even part. I'm also here movie now. Baby, Obi stick a bit picture a ball. I don't know so what he moving now.
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah, but and attention cause me I even saw it on Facebook. Baby na ask go for be I'm worry. Okay. Frame it if you a demo. And Obi picture boss yo. So they even asked him how come I'm do be the picture. As of heck of us say because Ocean movie now the setting no in as much as it was shot in Ghana now. Create fictional country for it. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to say Ghana Dean.
Like unknown country.
I know, yeah. So, Obi in the picture that one, the guy even explained it, of which it was news, because Obi in him. Okay. I could have written that one. I could have even written the
nominee now, yeah.
Yes, but I went to the side of Shatta Wale there now, because I don't know whether I love him so much or what, but I think that any time one day shiny, so you can see the other things. So I did the Shatta Wale one. And then later on, I think Chris Coney, my very good friend, he happens to be the business manager for Wale. Okay. And also wrote, chronicled how the deal came about. Oh, okay. I used that one. So already, because my short 3 things.
3 stories
about him. Positive. Even the first two stories, no. I had videos and audios I'm supposed to Instagram. Okay. The first one they say the movie now try video no. Yeah. As at now it has over getting to 20,000 views. Wow. Manya uchawo.
Any aso who ana.
Any the minimum. Say kind of us who background. Okay. So Chris Cole dey mature here. And then I get who no nakasa so ne pressure guy interview or Hit FM. Okay. I'm driving so Prince Aye show be I'm driving so. Kasa about the movie. I say the crew for campo I appreciate now. I wrote that one. Yeah. I didn't get okay. Then there's this blogger. I think he works with Muse Africa. Eric Oscar or Tosca. And also throw what he knows about the movie. Okay. Because Eba will be a true about it. Yeah. So the thing is, me they am saying no. Okay, send me privately. Na say, umbesabeka want me because I've had people buy ya. Almost they were part of the movie. Oh man, I know people they were part of the movie. I even got me pussy can become catch me so Zion no and copyright no man too high. Too pussy compare pussy to a bit. Okay. They told me things that happened. Man sure. But this guy I wrote it because public already. Okay. So another choice say Ghana no they had issues with permits and other things. Okay. So Mark even stepped in to help all those things and the man moving in Koye. So if Mark stepped in my moving in Koye, it means wabwa ama everything to go on well. Ebi anko step in anka.
Ebi omo nya permit and shit.
Am for form kapang onyuma anka ho.
Okay.
So I mean he helped. in the movie. So indirectly he helped in your thing. Maybe I don't know, but say I can trust maybe I don't know again say I can say that directly no boy. He didn't help directly. Indirectly no. He has helped. You get it? So on now want to say na I'm like I've written 4 stories. But when I wrote this, of which I don't even think that it is anything bad. Me, may I doesn't offend. I mean, I will gladly apologize. I mean, something happened, and then he vented his anger. I went to apologize. I accepted the mistake and I apologized. So I don't see anything wrong that I did. But I mean, what is it? I mean,
okay.
I'm cool.
All right.
Cool, yeah.
Zionfelix, I mean, one of the best bloggers in Africa, and I don't know at her edge. Oh, true. I mean, the page is very strong. Yeah. I know it's here. Common. Shatta Wale, I say on channel. Is it? I say channel no, because I shot the end. I know cast on
channel.
And all the bar life no. It is no. In case of bad life. Now, obey ye giddy also. Then reactions very.
Reaction. I mean, it will depend on what he writes. I mean. If it goes giddy, I'm not a giddy person. I mean, with what he wrote and then what I wrote, no, I didn't go Uchester.
Yeah.
I mean, I played around it, but I still communicated my message. It should be anyhow a communicating message. If he wants to go giddy, I might not even reply.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, and then unless maybe I get to know Sabia or they hyping me there. I mean, because I in as much as I have followers, I mean every minute I still get followers. Meaning say before that minute no way follow me, no one need me. And I say you get it. So and Wale is a huge guy.
Yeah.
I mean he has people I want to Zionfelix company. So if Wale wants to go giddy, go giddy.
Giddy open.
Oh, the way we are. Now, you see, this is not the first time these things are happening.
Okay.
Now, Sako the company didn't tell me, oh, and then, I mean, not even him per se. I mean, people have insulted us. People have frowned on some of the things that we've published. So, you wanna say, and to know, na ubekasa, and I'm say, if I wrong you there,
you apologize.
Yeah, my wrong you. But if I've done nothing wrong there, I mean, and especially when I've on the same story, I've done 3-4 publications, and one I'm a damase, I'm a comment. Nah.
And see, no, feel offended. Yeah, will be born. We say after say what promote you in and yeah, but Bonnie be away get to a no, and then I. Me
Bonnie bo.
Oh, me but me fun that scenario.
On who say Bonnie?
On who say Bonnie no.
Oh, I don't feel offended because me I don't expect somebody to come and thank me.
Okay.
I'm doing my job as a media guy. I'm doing my job as a journalist blogger. Okay. So I'm not publishing the story for Wale or Chris Coney or Nana Dope or anybody to come and thank me or appreciate my work. I am just reporting. I'm doing my work. Okay. So if it is what people call positive story, I'll write it. If it is what people call negative story, I'll report it. So far as it is credible, it is true, then I have to report it. So I don't report about Sarkodie, and Fafun, and Nama Zaya, me release what post it into me that's it. If you do it, fine, but that's not the motive. I am a Juma or something.
Report.
Exactly, it is my job to do it, so I am doing it. Okay. So I'm not doing it. Say Wale, I mean, if I go on Snapchat right now, if I open my Snap for you, I follow less than 3 people.
Oh, okay.
So that means 2 people and I won. Snap. I follow less than 3 people, and Wale is one of the 3 people that I follow on Snapchat. Wow. Not say.
But what about IG?
IG. I don't follow Wale on IG. I don't know. If there's any news about Wale, I'll know.
Get it. Okay.
Yeah. So I mostly go to Explore to see things going on. And then Wale news, I'm yeah. And I'm mostly comparing. I don't do content that most people are doing.
Okay.
I mostly want my original content. And I say, I feel now fresh. And I know that if there's a Wale BBR, other bloggers that I follow will post. Ronnie Kwaku, GH Kwaku, yeah. I think these are the people that I follow. NYDJ. Okay. Am I here?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't post it. I don't post it. So I mean, the people that I follow, and I know Kwaku and then Ronnie to be Wale bloggers. Not Wale bloggers, but they mostly follow him. Okay. So if there's anything Biana, I will know it from them. Anything I think Wale wants it to go out, I'll see it from them, and then if I think
you have to post that,
then I'll post it. So following, I don't follow even a lot of people, but I get stories to write about them. So I don't need to follow Jackie before I can get a story to write about Jackie. Yeah. So I mean, Wale there, I mean, I love that guy too much.
Okay.
I love him. I love Stone Boy. Yes, I'm Poleeno and Stone Boy.
People
People say I am biased towards Stone Boy, but I mean, if the content comes, I just write it. I don't love one after. I love songs.
Okay.
I don't love artists. So I love more songs of this guy, Zalo from Ghana. Kumi guitar. Yeah.
I could hear down.
Yeah. Famille, not say I love Famille. I love most of the songs. Jackie, I love her because of most of her songs. Okay. So I love some songs of Wale. I love some songs of Stone Boy. Not artists. They say I'll go and die for the artist. Okay. No, me I only know me pay.
Okay. Now all can be say I mean our Debra the own posti Shatta Wale. We all know say on any back and forth. Say so be posti Shatta party maybe a business contract be na when you waje gega or be posti. You find say with Casey every time big degree now call in your favor. We'll get to a time you not push Shatta Wale again.
Okay, I'm posting it there, but I'm not sure Wale will say that. I mean, as I said, I'm doing my work, so it will not get to a point I'll say I won't post Wale. I mean, this doesn't warrant not posting somebody, unless he comes out to say that. I mean, I shouldn't post him. Of which I don't think he will do that. Yeah, I don't think he will do that.
And to say you're trying Shatta Wale.
My guy, you know what count?
Shatta Wale there or the baby. Nancy, if you order call Zionfelix, and Nidinia then Zionfelix or say
Sam K.
Okay. Say blogger be a penal interview and I open answers very no I just say okay. We take as a senior blogger no then I work for.
I mean, Obiani rules and regulations. Oh, Nejumam.
Okay.
Rules and regulations no. So if you think you can go by it, you go. If you think you can go by it, I mean, then you stay back for people who can go by her rules, no. Ultimately, in Janica, I mean, there are 1,001 entertainers in the country.
They can go.
Hearing that information now, also hear from her, and it's very, very important.
Then you pay.
Then, with your for the amounts you mentioned, fine. Say, some any case, I'm also Buzan say, until so open, media has been not charged you. Also, I'm supposed to me for the over to you. I wouldn't for the. I mean, there are 1,001 other ones that almost buy money free. So yeah, and I'm not sure that it will apply to everybody. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we set rules. They can say, if you follow rules, like giddy over than robots. Okay. They be made Legon. Example, that's sticker I use no. Okay. Yeah, I'm calling on because yes, sticker no.
Sticker.
Let's see somebody coming from Gempa or Raspoon inside. Or yeah, you. Maybe other taxi. Now it didn't be room. Security guys no more at Gempa entrance. They say only sticker. It's go far. Joe never traffic. You could do a cam more. It didn't be at Legon police station no. Now it's because only sticker.
Legon hospital.
Legon
hospital.
It's just a UK hospital.
Exactly.
I mean, because a man say only sticker on remuntino. Uncle foul. No, we don't. I mean, should be human. You call it catch him and say. Who follow a mragdigidia other than robot, you can use your mind. Robot na be a programming. So I'm not sure say that thing that she said will apply to everybody. I mean, not to disrespect any person, but if Bolari calls you right now, say Bram interview, what you mean? I mean, you can do that. So maybe I would be Zionfelix. Maybe I meet you, but I mean there are certain people, certain platforms that I can do to them. I mean, multimedia for a while. I can say, I drive for some.
But some more bloggers now, so no man never hear if you order.
Yeah, I mean, people help people, and then when you get to places, I mean, rules and regulations change. So in the normal, I mean, there are some people who are ono starting your man, a bit webinar or more about get away. So in the normal, also, we take conversation now, say, oh, you know, no name certain things, and it is true at times. We are there, just start here. You just want to be there. I would do now. People are advising you because you know obian found to be advice. Okay. But do now. Then when you start be na for 2 for now, we don't compare more for now. Say wait $1,000 before interview, and then you see with what she said now, it happens elsewhere. Okay. People do charge. Yeah. Even Instagram, some of them American stars no. I mean before the Obe posted back no, he or she might be paid by the platform. I mean Jay-Z is not Instagram. Yeah. Have you asked yourself what Jay-Z? You get it. So out there,
I saw Adelaide in there. Stormzy.
Yeah. UK. Ghana.
UK. Yeah.
I'm from Dubai. Yeah. So out there, I think it happens. In your Ghana, I mean, Jackie will not charge for interview. If Von Nelson, I have not heard. that or charge for interview.
But if you
Well, no, because so we are
into we too no for say obesasa because Bible say obakwase adanse sana adwunim sa sanfo the kind but whichever way no ade attack say obakwase na ense sana adwe into we too no for say e bia ni statement no on draw na bibisa
me too no for say wonyai but me ka say e bia interviews on person be no on kasa asa nchom
okay
obi bana o kasa on say at times you can be say one year. Maybe but I'll give you certain things that yeah, but say 1 year. Yeah. So to people that she thinks she doesn't want to do the interview for them at that point in time, or that's only the platform at that time now. On first our rules in the number higher price, number back off.
Okay.
But to certain platforms, no, I would just say
yeah,
if you come back here and no baby actually you need them. So I mean
I'm how obisia go by.
I'm not sure say obia ebe them yeah. If you the me they come interview. Oh, I be my girl.
Okay.
Yeah. I watch your stories
so go straight. Okay. My name is Zionfelix and that's what I tell you to come on. Send me kind and say follow you on Instagram Poleeno_com. Go follow you what na a part of your family no. Zion intin ko for do what time social media account.
I'm okay.
Okay.
I mean, if you advise me, it is good than to insult me.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really see the insults.
Okay.
I don't mostly see insults. I mean, I'm mostly busy. I do read comments, but right now we have doing and can. If you're advising, I take it. Yeah, me all those ones, I take it. But insult, I just keep it. Me has an insult ni modu pa, I delete it. And then the ones that I have to block, I'll block you. So
nation block.
Yeah, I want to join Ajagwaja. Yeah, because otitime.
Okay.
They say me ko interview me say kobium. So me kono dey block nation room. Oba me block that much.
Okay.
Most people I block pani or more active follow me. When you post na first 5 seconds not maba. Active. Follow me. Like almost a man phone follow me.
Yeah.
And don't comment. So every post then I was say, as now people think that your page is fake.
Yeah.
So I block and already may block you. But if you follow me here, your restriction or block. Okay. So I restrict you and then you can't comment. Because I don't know automated on my programming on my account and say as soon as you post now first second. To I can post something in 1 minute and I'll get like 50 comments.
Wow.
Active. Now say so I'm for the fire. And I can laugh. Fire. I want to finish with the active one.
Okay, we are not.
I'll call fire. Because I want comments. Yes. No, whether insult emojis. Or I don't want emojis. No. Because
but I say if you what there, it deserve fire. No. Depending on the post, no. You can say be our posty amrado be a rap gidi. Meet him the fire I reply. Yeah.
But if I say Obiawu, no, I post Obiawu, not the fire petrol. And when I say no, the conversation will be about why fire and laughing emojis. No, then almost all the attention is going towards that thing. So almost them block you, but insult the phone them and time block them.
Okay.
Facebook there, if they don't want me to block you, go and insult me on Facebook. All them in really cry.
Oh, okay.
Facebook they don't do anything there. Recently, I'm checking messages because I realized that I lose a lot of deals on Facebook.
Oh, okay. Because when you're active,
me call message per plenty. So now, me replying now. So from then, no. So for like 1 week now, every morning I go there to go and check the previous messages.
Okay.
They also may reply, no, not my reply. Most of them are not papanti, no.
Okay.
Me but Instagram there, any message I reply, comment, I read through, and then the ones that I have to laugh, I laugh. I go answer.
Okay.
Yeah, I got to go. I insult the deal. You met some countries on okay.
And no mom did that okay. Zion na yako my final words to Ghana for and then mom do no mom
Ghana for there. Okay, Ghanaians here in Ghana and outside Ghana. I don't know how to thank them because the love has been extremely great. I mean, for the past years, my blogger and then also Mr. My interviews here, I mean, the love has been exceptionally good.
Okay.
I really appreciate it. I mean, I never thought that I could be getting 1.5 million followers. Okay. I mean, growing up, I always wanted to do things that I love. And then I never thought that people would love me for what I do. Okay. I mean, I mostly, and they say, Mishaga, you catch and say, no, how I've done it. so a honorable BP, and then it was how I did it. I'm like, me, I see myself as just having fun.
Okay.
So I mean, oh yeah, they are on
the passion.
Yeah, and people appreciate it. Then it tells a lot. So I really appreciate the people who love me, the people who have been criticizing and making sure that things are done well, people who help us directly and indirectly. And I meet people. I'm catching myself. I mean, I talk to you about people. Because me, I'm very no. But I just say in your show. So Ghana ha mama powasempa like some that mama powasempa call me wrong like no mama powasempa like you no cry and you no crumble like penifo no hwe me and at times me come be program me hu penifo bi almost is that this time you be trouble so I'm like penifo ina ministers then like it tells that
you're working
nyame share and then and I know he continues to bless us and to the people who keep insulting us they should keep insulting us. And also here, yeah, because it draws attention of somebody else.
Okay.
If a good nkwana and time, if you come out, why that time no, make time screenshot say, no me media what time be now. I create more bars.
To say that content.
Sanka, enranka of anka me chanka now pa come never been posted.
Yeah.
Because right now me go Facebook have like 1,000 comments on that.
Wow.
Me reply now me Shatta Wale. Anka me chanka na come never been posted 1,000 comments. You get it? So I mean. It's not near the advertising. I want to
All right, Poleeno Multimedia. Subscribe. Now click the notifications so that the time we drop video be no over straight. Go Instagram Poleeno_com. Shatta, me try on reply. You do this here.
That be ever say one come Instagram handle. Okay, come be followers on.
You followers on remain.
Go Instagram who follow the we are follow now Poleeno_com no. Now what's a chief for Zionfelix? Okay, just search for Zionfelix. So many accounts will come. The one verified, no, and media. I mean, I have 3 accounts on Instagram.
Okay.
I have Zionfelix.com, which is verified. I have Zionfelix TV, and I have Zionfelix_daily. And my personal page, I know there. Me daily no man call them to go. If you am nyage na, you call ya na me cattle. But the .com there for the website and for the things that I do. The TV is for my production and other things. And then there's Zionfelix. And then part of my camera, no. So yeah, and then reach for my website. Zionfelix.com. That is where we started from. I'm a blogger. I write entertainment news. Zionfelix.com. The YouTube, no, subscribing to the new but also subscribing. I'm subscribing. Subscribing every video as you are. Zionfelix simple videos every day. We are jogging to that can come. On that note.